Hey everyone, welcome to Storyboard That. This video is meant to show you how you can share assignments from Storyboard That to Google Classroom and grade your student work straight from Google Classroom. So let's go ahead and take a look. The first thing I'm going to want to do is make an assignment in Storyboard That. Now I can do that from scratch, but I happen to know that we have this great Lord of the Flies assignment that I'm going to want to use in my class today. So I'm going to go to our pre-made teacher resources. I want this visual vocab assignment. So let me go ahead and copy that to my assignments dashboard, and there it is. So the next thing I'm going to want to do is share this assignment to Google Classroom. So I'm going to assign it to the class here, which is my ELA class, and then I'm going to share it to my Google Classroom using this button at the top of the screen. I can double check everything here to make sure everything's looking good. I can see it's assigned to my ELA classroom. The title is looking good. The instructions are just telling my students to click on the link. That's fine. And you can change the due date to fit whatever you need. Once everything is looking good, I'm going to go ahead and post this assignment to my Google Classroom, and we can go ahead and take a look at what our students see when this assignment has been posted. All right, so here I am signed in as my student on Google Classroom, and I can see that my teachers posted a assignment via Storyboard That. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that and then sign in. And it'll bring me straight to my Storyboard That dashboard where I can work on the assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this assignment here, and then I'll show you what the student can do when they are finished. All right, so once I have finished working on this assignment, I'm just going to want to click this Submit to Google Classroom button right here so that my teacher can see that I'm done and I've submitted it to the Google Classroom. Once all your students have submitted to Google Classroom, you can grade this assignment straight from Google Classroom, which is really nice. So I'm going to sign back in as my teacher and show you how to grade an assignment from Google Classroom. All right, so here I am back as a teacher here. I'm going to go ahead and click into my assignment. And I can see that Sam has turned in his Lord of the Flies assignment. Awesome. And you can see I can actually grade straight from Google Classroom and view the storyboard in Google Classroom. Looks like Sam did a great job, so I'm going to go ahead and give him 100. Looks like I already told him he did a great job. And I can go ahead and return that to the student. And it's that easy. So hopefully this video helped show you how you can create an assignment in Storyboard That and share it via Google Classroom, and then grade all of your students' work in Google Classroom. Thank you so much for watching.